Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anu and I'm the Glam Frau here on YouTube, on Instagram. And if you're new and you want to come and join my little family, why don't you hit subscribe, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell. Maybe you can do that. This is 2 clicks, come on. And if you're not really fully committed to the cause, you can just follow me on Instagram, because that's cool too. And if you are returning, you're part of my family already. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all the love and affection. I can feel it through the camera. Today we are doing this look, which is using the CARLI BYBEL X ABH palette. This is the new palette that launched a few weeks ago, but I haven't had the time to get around to playing with it. So today I am kind of doing this look using that palette, and also the holiday collection lip set called Undressed from ABH, which launched kind of together in a bundle, but they're not a collab. Why not just watch this video and see how I came together looking like this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm starting with my favorite Tatcha primer here, and I'm just trying to blend that into the problem areas around my nose, my forehead, and around my mouth. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in 33YW. This is one of my favorite foundations, and I'm just dabbing it all over my face. And let's not forget the neck, because I always do. I'm going in with my Damp Beauty blender, and I'm just dabbing that into my skin. I've just used a very little amount because I'll be going ham with the contouring and highlighting. So just blending that all in. Next, I'm going in to just conceal the dark spots around my eyes with the Multi-Sculpt Concealer from Too Faced in Golden Beige. Dabbing that in. This is just to cancel out the pigmentation. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Amber. This is to contour my face, and also since it's a bronzy shade, it's also going to bronze up my face. I know it looks kind of crazy, but it all melts in together. The whole technique is to do with blending. Now I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Correct concealer in light beige just to highlight the high points of my face. I'm going to blend this all in together with a blending sponge so that everything looks very seamless and almost skin-like. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Setting Powder in Banana. I'm just pressing this in with a Damp Beauty blender so that the skin looks flawless and seamless. Now with the same powder, I'm just baking around my jawline. Going in with my favorite NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black, and I'm just outlining my eyebrows in the shape that I desire. Next, I'm going in with the Zoeva Brow Spectrum Powder Palette, which is an amazing product. I'm just going in with the deepest and the second last deepest shade just to build a gradient. I just really love this product. Next, I'm going in with my favorite Hoola bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up the areas that I had contoured earlier. As you can see, it's all looking pretty seamless, and I'm quite happy with the way the whole thing's turned out. Next, going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit, and I'm just using the peachy shade in this blush kit, which is called Radiant. Next, with the 4th Ray Glisten Up Spray, I'm just bringing in back some moisture into my face because all that powder has kind of made it very dry. While the setting spray is drying, I'm just going in with the 3D highlighter from Huda Beauty in Golden Sands, and I'm just adding highlighter to the high points of my face while I'm constantly checking myself in the mirror. Now the star of today's video, the CARLI BYBEL X ABH palette. This palette is so beautiful in person. The first shade I'm picking up is called Cindy. This is a beautiful peachy pinky shade, and I'm just putting it to my crease line with a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm going in with the shade called Chai just to kind of warm up the crease. And then I'm going in with Bowie, which is a beautiful cool brown taupe color, which I'm using to deepen the crease. I'm going in and doing my lower lash line because I generally do my lower lash line just when I'm doing the crease colors because I just like them to match and in the same sequence. I know a lot of people don't do that, but that's just the way I do it. Next, I'm going in with Jode, which is a beautiful gray shimmer with a blue reflect. It's kind of blue and purple, and it kind of is amazing for the smoky effect. And that's why I'm putting it in the outer V of my eye to give it the smoky effect. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of Libra mixed in with my Angels and just giving it a gray, shimmery, silver, gold mix bag of shimmers. And I think it kind of ties in really well with the Jode color that we put on earlier, because I didn't want it to be a stark difference. Next, going in with my MAC Teddy pencil to line my waterline and create a wing. Going in with Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. It's one of my favorites, although it takes too long to dry. Next, going in with Samantha Lashes from Huda Beauty. And then coming to the next star of today's video, this Undress lip set from our ABH. I'm using the colors on Nude, Peachy and the Shimmery Gold lip gloss to top it all. Finally finishing off this look with this shimmer oil, body oil from ABH. I love this. And that finishes off the look. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.